क्लास हुआ है. So anyone have any question related to anything? First we can address, then we can go ahead with the class. कोई क्वेश्चन है? We are good. और या कोई क्वेश्चन, कुछ भी रिलेटेड, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है, we can address that question.
सर क्वेश्चन ये है कि मेरा बिल्कुल आईटी बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, तो मैं
हम्म.
इसको कैसे कॉप अप कर सकता हूँ?
आपका आईटी बैकग्राउंड नहीं है तो आप इसको कैसे क्या कॉप अप
बिल्कुल।
कर सकते हो? ओके.
जी।
सो यू हैव टू अटेंड द सेशन. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे टाइम दे रहे हो और प्लस आप खुद से अपना होमवर्क करोगे. होमवर्क में जैसे आपको जो चीज यहाँ पे क्लास में बताया जा रहा है उसको खुद से प्रैक्टिस करोगे. ओके.
जी।
सो सो आपको डेवलप करोगे. ये एक दिन में नहीं होगा, ऑफ कोर्स आपको लगेगा 1 महीना, 45 डेज, 60 डेज, ठीक है, 90 डेज. सो अगर आप लगातार करते रहोगे तो आप कोप अप हो जाओगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और कोई बड़ा चीज नहीं है कि बहुत कुछ हार्ड चीज नहीं है जो को कॉप अप होने में प्रॉब्लम होगा. ठीक है, यू कैन कोप अप इजीली, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
गॉट इट सर।
Hello.
या, या श्रवण
Yeah,
से.
yeah, this is myself, Shravan.
या श्रवण.
Yeah, actually, I have 2 years and 8 months experience in non-IT. I wanted to move to plan for IT for the Salesforce, and I have a career gap, and I have gap also after that job. Yeah. Hello.
या, आई कैन हियर यू प्रॉपर्ली. ओके,
Yeah,
नो
yeah,
वरीज
yeah.
श्रवण,
Okay.
no worries, you have a gap, not a problem. Okay. Yeah, you can just understand the thing, and you know how the things are working in, how the things are there, and how the things are working in IT. Okay, I will be giving you the idea how the things are working in IT and how you are going to communicate yourself in IT. Okay, these types of training will be provided side by side when I am taking classes. Okay, so
Okay.
you will be able to understand the corporate culture, you will be able to understand the corporate ethics as well. Okay, it is not a not a very big thing or not a very big issue when I am stating that you are having a career gap. You just need to upgrade yourself and learn the thing properly and do your proper homework whatsoever we had discussing, and you need to groom yourself properly. Okay, when I'm saying homework, grooming yourself, talking in English with in front of mirror, answering the things in English. Okay, preparing a question and upgrading the communication skills. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
I'll not
I
say
will
English communication skill. Yeah,
Yeah, I will
yeah, sure.
understand. Yeah, but I after that training, wanted to improve English skills also. Like that, you will asking for the water after the job. What is the main role for the delay for the job? You will asking,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. We have mock interview session. Okay,
Okay.
in the mock
Mhm.
interview, you will be able to you will be getting a training. Okay, or you can
Okay.
say that there will be a grooming session with you. In the grooming
Okay.
session, the every answer, every question will be taken care of. Not a problem. Okay, these things are not a problem. We will be taking care of these things.
It is okay for the gap also after a job.
Yeah.
Uh,
How
Yeah.
you are, it is all about how you are selling yourself. Okay, so
Yeah.
we will be
Okay.
training you how you're going to sell yourself.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
more questions, or we should start the session class. कुछ भी, कोई भी कैसा भी क्वेश्चन आ रहा है पूछो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है पूछने में, और कोई
सर,
क्वेश्चन छोटा नहीं होता है.
हाउ अबाउट
हाँ,
द
बोलो अजय.
इंडस्ट्री, हाउ, सॉरी,
या से अजय.
how about the industry, how it's growing, and how there is percentage of getting job
सी,
as per you?
2025 में what is that ना अजय, in 2025. Okay,
Mhm.
so the demand, let's say if we considering a demand, there is 100% of demand. Okay, So 78% of the demand is fulfilled. Okay. And in November and in, I'll not say November, in December and November last 10 days. Okay. And in January, no recruitment is there. Recruitment is very, very, very slow. Okay. So you can see 11 to 12% of the demand is already vacant or void. Okay. And this demand will be taken care of in the next season, that is 2026. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
the demand is also saying that where are the people that should be joining in January or December. So they will be taking care of the 2 months as well. Understand in this way. So there will be a very, very good, you know, good demand when you will be going to train in. Okay. Let's say if we are targeting March month, April month. See, you guys will be an immediate joiner in IT, and in right now the market wants immediate joiners. Okay, because
Mm-hmm.
let's say if someone want me to get that particular job. Okay, I will be saying that I will be joining you after 2 months or 3 months because I need to serve my notice period in my current company, right? This is very much important. Okay, I need to serve that particular 2 months or 3 months. After that, what is the guarantee that the candidate will join in or not? Okay, so there is a very risk to to go with my application. I'm talking about my as a person, but you guys are immediate joiners. Mostly of them are immediate joiners, or maybe some of them are like one after 1 month they will be joining in. So they are searching for this candidature. Okay, just one thing you need to prepare, just crack the interview. That's the thing. And the market wise, Salesforce market will not get down by 2020, 2028, 2029. Okay, if you could go on and research yourself, the layoff is happening. The layoff is happening, but the layoff of Salesforce resources not happening, because it is again upgrading and upgrading. It is again having a good demand because they are upgrading, and the requirement is upgrading, demand is upgrading. Okay, so we need to fulfill the demand, right? So yeah, this is the reason.
Great to hear.
Yeah, Nish, got it. I hope I answer your question, Ajit, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, hello,
great.
sir.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Actually, I have one question.
Hmm.
Uh, uh, Last year, I completed my training in Salesforce, but
Hmm.
I didn't crack any interview. I don't know why. Actually, there's a lack of studies and all. So, if I get training from you, so I get placement or not?
Again, I will be, how I will be guaranteeing you will be getting a placement. I will be going to help you see the numbers, what I will be going to provide you. Okay, first I will be going to provide you the HR list, in which you will be calling the HRs and asking them for the role. I am an immediate joiner. I have this much years of experience, or these things will be you are going to communicate, right? Once you communicated with them, okay, then they will provide you the interview slot. Again, when the interview slot will be there, I will be providing you the personal one-on-one training. Rigorous training will be there, in okay, how the question will look like, on how other things will look like. Okay, because I am taking I am taking interviews level 2 and level 1. Previously I was taking, but right now I'm in level 2 L2 interviews. Okay, so it is it is a very huge timeline from which I am taking, like 4 to 4.5 years I am taking the interviews. Okay, so I have whole bank there, and when I will provide you the one-on-one interview session now, in that particular session you will be able to answer all the questions. Okay, this much help I will going to provide you. Apart from that, if you are selected in level 1, level 2 will be there, and I will be providing you the training for the level 2, grooming for the level 2. Okay, this is what we are going to provide you, so that you will be able to you will be able to you will be able to grab the thing, you will be able to be comfortable in the interview. So yeah, that is the thing. And I will be just giving you the pattern of the interview, how the interview will be going to be happen. And third thing is opportunity. I will be providing you the opportunity. These types of help I will be going to provide you. Apart from that, you need to, I will be giving you 10% or 20%. You need to give your 80%. Okay, this is what the thing is. If you are not performing in the interview, that is not my fault. I will be providing you the each and every learning, each and every things. Okay,
And if
so
I
yeah,
and if I want to go as an experienced candidate, so I can I?
yeah, you can, because this training is a different training. This is not a rookie training. This training, again, if you are dealing with real time scenarios example, so then this training, it's somewhere upgraded from the freshers. Okay, this is what I want to mention here. Okay, this training is not like, yeah, I am a fresher, just give me a Salesforce and I know knowledge. No, it's an experience one training. This is a GFT training, and this is a US benchmark of GFT training.
Hello, this side Rahul Rathod.
And you are going to cover all the topics of Salesforce, because
Correct,
you are
correct.
not mentioning there. Because you are not
Mhm.
mentioning that integration part. You are that brochure is still LWC only.
Have you gone through the syllabus class or not? Yes, no.
Actually, day one I didn't join the class. That's why I'm
That is
asking.
that's if you haven't joined, and if you are claiming that you are not going to provide these things, this is wrong, right? N- Nishikeet,
No,
right?
no, I am
You
not
need to
claiming. I'm
say
asking
say say
only.
say say. Yeah, yeah. So the integration part is also there, and okay, each and every part is taken care of. Each and every part is, when I am saying the main motto is Salesforce knowledge and placement. Okay, then I am taking the responsibility, right? Which part I
Okay.
need to cover it and which part I will be going to address properly. Okay, do not worry on the these particular part. I will be providing you. The main motto is to provide you placement help. Okay,
Okay.
placement help. I will be going to provide you. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
You didn't
yeah.
mention admin parts in syllabus.
Okay. Okay.
It is, yeah, Rathod, it is mentioned there. Okay, yesterday only we have no, or today, from today we will be starting the admin part. So yeah, the parts are mentioned there. If you go to the Salesforce syllabus, what syllabus I have introduced in the day one class, okay, in the whole class it is mentioned that first we are going to, we are going to create an object, we are going to, create fields. So these all are admin part. Without admin part, Salesforce training is not logical, right? It's
Actually, you ping message on WhatsApp, so there is not mentioned. So that's why I ask. Actually,
okay. Maybe okay. I ping. Okay, I need to check, but yeah, I think
actually
we
you
are not on a
you
call.
mentioned cloud computing and yeah. So that's why I ask.
So start point, first point, Rathod, what is that? You need to start your baseline. Okay, you need to take care of the baseline. How we are going to, proceed with that particular baseline. So the baseline is very important. So I was just explaining you the baseline. Okay, so that we can build a building on that particular baseline. Baseline
Okay,
is very
okay.
important. That's why.
Okay, okay. I have one more question actually. So
Yeah,
L2
yeah.
interview is like that quasi like that chaos is there. Means they ask uh, big codes actually they and we are not familiar with that. So it is easy to uh, take code or what how to do explain that time in an interview actually.
Okay, I will be see what is the interview pattern. It's like first level one, first interview pattern. Sorry, L1 will be your cracking round. Okay, if you crack L1, L2 is just a next to formality round. ठीक है, समझो ऐसे. ठीक है, if you are performing in L1 like 65% to 70%, Okay, अगर 65% भी perform कर रहे हैं तो you are going to select it, you are going to crack L1. Okay, in L2 it is a selection process, it is not a rejection process. Okay, to be very precise, L2 is never a rejection process for many of the MNCs. ठीक है, तो उसमें you will be, you can perform 40 to 45%. Okay, L1 is very important. ठीक है, तो
Yeah, yeah,
अगर you are
there is coding and all that things. So we will do that after training means
you
basic
can do
coding they
that.
will ask. If I show 3+ years of experience, okay, yeah,
That
two
is the
plus
thing.
years.
That is the thing. You are why you are here in. Okay, you have this is the reason why you are here in. I will be providing you all the training, all the coding, everything, so that you can perform. Right. This is why you are joining the course. Right. This is the reason.
Hello,
Hope
Anand
I
sir.
answer your question. Yeah. Yeah.
Sir,
So
like last 2 months, I am working as a Java developer in a company, and
mm-hmm,
before that, like I have completed my college in 23, and
mm-hmm.
2 years of gap is there. So, like currently, I am working in 2 months. So, how much genuine experience I will be have to manage to transition into Salesforce?
See, genuine experience is all about storytelling again, how you are telling your story. Okay. For you,
Mm-hmm.
you can go ahead with 2 years of experience in Salesforce. Okay. If you're saying
Mm-hmm.
2 years of experience, then I will be, let's say, if we are getting an interview call, I will be grooming you properly on the 2 years experience part. Okay. I will be grooming you on each and every section. Okay. These much question will be there in for you, and this much area will you need to cover in. Okay. Anyway, if
Okay.
there is 2 years of experience, guy, they will not expect a solution architect type question. They will expect only a simple admin and only a simple triggers like question and only a simple,
Uh-huh.
small codes like structure will be there and all small codes will be there.
But
In
sir,
okay.
like main issue is like currently I have joined a small scale company where I have created my PF account also.
Hmm.
So
So
nearby
yeah,
2 months I am working here.
so how much months the PF thing
Uh,
is credited to you?
2 months, sir.
2 months. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Again, Prakash here. Okay, he's a PF.
Hmm.
PF expert. Okay, so he will be guiding you. But yeah, we can solve some of the problems of yours.
Okay, okay, sir. No issues.
Okay, yeah. More questions? Because these are the demo sessions. Okay, again
Am
there
I
will
audible,
be a
sir?
open. Yeah,
Am I audible, sir?
yeah, yeah. You are audible.
Yes, sir.
Kush,
Sir,
sir.
actually,
Kush.
yes, sir, of course. So actually, sir, I've been working as a Node.js developer for the last 3.5 years. So,
Mm-hmm,
what I want to ask, sir, that you are providing 3 years of experience certificate. So,
mm-hmm,
if we apply with the 3 years of experience certificate, then the interview will certainly be in the fashion in which they will expect that we will give the answers what 3.5 years, 3 years of experience guy can give. So, sir,
so.
even after getting selected, the kind of a work
Mm-hmm,
that they will allot us will be
mm-hmm.
will be as par with the 3 years of experience guy. Because they want to consider as a fresher.
Correct,
So,
correct, correct.
how we will justify that, sir? The thing is this that when they their expectation will be of 3 years person, then how will we justify that, sir?
Got your
Please.
question, Kush. Got your question. Got your question. You are saying that whether it will be easy for us after our placement in the company, or whether it's going to be very hard to survive in that particular job, right? This is your question, summarizing your question, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So, see, Kush, what is that now? This training is very important. Okay. If you are going through this training, each and
Hmm.
every part, okay, you will be going to address or answer, and you need to address the problem that are in your project. Okay, with this particular experience you can go ahead and you can address these things properly. I am saying confidently, or I will be only one text away from you. Okay,
Mm.
if you want any help, I will be there. There will be only one text away from you, because if you're going for MNCs, I am targeting to get your placement in the MNCs. I'm not targeting you for the small scale companies and other stuffs, because small scale companies and other stuffs are having a different interviews things. Okay,
Mm.
previously
Yes.
also I've discussed the same thing. They will be like, I want 110% from you. No. Okay, I know this is not practically possible. So we will be targeting a MNCs, top MNCs. Okay,
Mm.
example, Accenture, TCS, Infosys, SCL, um, Birla Shop, Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, these types of company, Deloitte, PwC,
Mm.
EY, KPMG. Okay, these types of company I'm targeting in, so that there will be a good and firm existence on the particular project, because there is a KT session, okay,
Yeah.
from the employers or from the teammates of your project. They will provide you the KT knowledge, that
Mm.
is knowledge transfer,
Knowledge
and
transfer.
you will be having, yeah, you will be having two months of knowledge transfer, and then after that you will be onboarded to the project. That is a very,
Okay.
good thing in these types of MNCs. They are going in a proper way. Okay. So
Okay.
in 2 months also you will be able to understand the things, how we are going to do it. Okay.
So,
So no
so the
problem.
course, so the course duration is of 2 months.
No, the course duration, I am saying knowledge transfer in when you got placed in the project. Okay, project, I'm saying when you got placed in the, let's say you got placed in PwC. Okay, so
Okay.
you will be getting 2 more months, so that the teammates of PwC will be providing you the KT session apart from this training. Okay, and this training is of 3.5 months or 4 months. If you go with this particular training, okay, you will be able to, understand the things how you are going to do it. Okay, so
Yeah.
do not worry, you will be able to do that. Just
Sir,
focus on the course. That's all.
because if you are applying with the position of with the experience of 3 years, then it means that we are quite astute in terms of Apex, JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, CSS. Like we know the in and outs of these languages. If we, somebody asks us to do the coding, yeah, using the JavaScript, that we should know very well about
Yeah,
what is
yeah,
Agile.
got your question again. Got your question. Okay,
Because
these
when it
type.
comes to a project, sir, when it comes to a project, it is certainly like that. If we are well groomed with the programming languages, then only we can find out the bugs and we can fix it, like where we need to do the change, so that whatever work is allotted to us can be done in a small time
Okay,
duration.
Kush. Wait, I'm answering your question. Okay, do
Yeah.
not worry and do not think in this way. First, you are not a tester, so
Yeah.
you are not handling the bugs. You're not analyzing the bugs. You are a
No, I'm
developer.
talking about the
You will
bugs.
see.
And
Complete. Let me complete.
yeah.
Try to listen something. Okay, be a good listener. If you are going to be a good listener, the corporate existence will be pro. Okay, it will
Mhm.
be anyway upgraded. Okay,
Yeah,
try to
please.
listen something.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is that now? When you will be there in the project, you will be asked, you will be getting a proper sheet. Okay, and with
Mhm.
a technical note sheet. Okay, I'm saying user story or ticket. Okay, which ticket you are working. You
Mhm.
will be
Yeah.
having a proper technical note, whatsoever you need to, do the thing, what changes you need to do. Okay, so
Mhm.
from that only you will be able to analyze the thing. Okay, and apart from that, the training is a real time scenario training. Okay, when we
Okay.
are dealing real time scenarios in this particular project, then you will be able to grab the thing and you will be able to get familiar with the issues what you're getting in. Okay, you
Mhm.
can easily cope up with that, not a problem. Okay, just
Okay.
one thing I want from you guys: be attentive in the training. That's all.
And what will
Hope I
the
answer
class
your
timing,
question.
sir? Sir, one thing I would also like to bring in your notice, that I have already joined one institute for the Salesforce training, but I am not satisfied with the training they are the kind of a training they are providing, sir. So
See,
because job assurance is there, they are asking is that they are telling that they have a tie-up with the companies but the kind of a training that I am getting right now from them is I'm not satisfied with it. So that is why I want to join some other institute also as a
No problem,
uh,
Kush. Oh, see, what is that now? In market, many companies are there in.
yeah.
Okay, so we have different aspect and we have different, you can say we have different USP. Okay, so we are focused
Mhm.
on the learning. We are not giving you a 1 month training, a crash course training. We are going deep in. Okay, we are diving in deep. We have labs. Array, this is what now. If you are going for a practical, okay, if you know the things practical, if you are actually solving real time scenarios, then this you will be getting confident. Okay, so
Hmm.
that is what I want to state here. You will be getting confident because I will be explaining each and every aspect from a real time scenario. If I am opening my Accenture project and showing you the project things, then anyway it will be going to help you, right? In the interviews, in
Yeah.
the everything. Let's say I am going to provide the different keywords when I am explaining you the things. You just map the keyword and shoot the keyword in front of the interviewer. Anyway they will be
Mhm.
going to address the things, and
Yeah.
anyway they will be going to interview
Definitely,
you.
it will be helpful.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, more questions.
Sir, before start the coding, which basics parts we have to do for getting more clarity in?
I will be providing you the basics parts as well, not a problem. I have a whole course on the coding. Okay, so the first 5 days I will be going to provide you the basics part. Okay, and then after that basic coding, and then after that you can go ahead with the coding, Apex coding. Apex is not a hard coding. Why you guys are saying in this way, like I am feeling it is very hard? No, yeah, Apex is very much simple and sorted language. I'll say it's very sorted language. Okay, similar to Java. Okay, so do not worry. Okay, who are
Uh,
interested in coding, do not worry. Who don't are who the person who are not interested in coding, do not worry. We have different role as well for you in Salesforce.
Hello,
and sir, what will
hello,
be the
sir.
class timing, sir?
Sorry, Kush,
What will be the class
Hello.
timing?
8 to 9 till now. Okay, apart from that, you can contact Sonali, the person of
Uh,
contact for this particular course. Yeah,
8 to 9 in the evening, sir.
yeah, this time only.
Sir,
IST.
is it possible that you can take it after 8:30?
Please discuss the timing with Sinali because she is taking care of that. Okay, there are management, there are operation in digital partners, so they are taking care of that because I am not a correct person to make these types of decisions. Okay,
Okay. And sir, you are also asking, it is also said by the Sonali that we will have to pay some amount after getting placed, like in installments. So is there any
yeah, yeah,
ISA, like income sharing agreement, which we need to sign up?
yeah. Please contact with these because see, if we go to discuss this particular thing in this particular class, okay, the class will be over. Okay,
Yeah.
because we had a discussion on day one. Please try to understand, Kush. Okay, so in day one we had a whole discussion. Okay, you can go ahead and you can ask Sonali. Okay, what are the? Please explain. Can you please explain me how we are going to, how we are going to give the money and what are the agreements we are going to do it. Okay, please ask her. She is a very correct person to address you. Not a problem.
Sure.
She will provide you the each and every data because if I am going to provide you the data here, okay, it will take whole class. So I don't want to waste the time of other students as well. Okay,
Sure, sure, sure.
yeah. Anyone who was asking something, please go ahead. Someone was asking. I don't know. I didn't read the name. No more questions.
Yes.
Yes, Shravan.
Yeah, no more questions. You can continue the
Sir,
class.
I think in a top MNCs, they follow strict BVGs actually. So fake PFs and means managed PFs, they will
Wait.
clear
We
that.
are taking care. We are taking care of that. Okay. So we are in this business from last, I think, 8 to 10 years. Okay. So we have
Okay.
different teams that are taking care of these things. Okay, you do
Okay.
not worry on this particular area. We are 100% taking care of that.
Okay, sure.
Good. 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 Yeah. No more questions? Okay.
Okay. Hi, Anand.
Yeah, yeah. Hi,
Chetan
Chaitanya.
this side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, actually, I'm already having a 3.5 years of experience, and
Mm-hmm.
recently I left my job in last month. So I just want to make my career in Salesforce. Um, so if I join this course, it will spend around 4 to 5 months, right? So how this gap it will be filled if interview asks me in the interview?
Yeah, Chaitanya. So what is that now? Again, it's a course of three months to 4 months. After 3.1 months, we will be providing you the links so that you can get different interview calls. Okay. So it is planned in this way. And coming to the experience part and managing these things, again, grooming will be there. One-on-one grooming will be there, Chaitanya. Okay. And in the grooming, you will be you will get to understand that whatsoever answer or what's the things I need to address. Okay. So that will help you to, push the things like this type of experience we have, or this is the experience we are going to have. Okay. So do not worry. The whole team is there and each and every things are gone into the R&D and then come up with the proper solution. No problem. There will be no problem as well. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, how many projects you will provide us?
How many projects you want, Rathod?
For CV, sir, actually.
Do not worry on these particular thing. Okay. Do not worry. Okay. I will be providing you a good amount. See, do not think on the CV perspective. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Perspective should be your knowledge. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
If
That's
you are
why that's
saying,
why I'm asking if I do this project, so I will be confident that time actually. But most of
yeah,
the classes, what to do, sir? They pick on Google and send us and paste and copy. We don't know what is which type is their use and all that thing. So that's why, sir, there is my question.
see what project I will be going to provide you. That is what project I am actually working. No Google, nothing at these things. I'm not going to. I'm not sure. Maybe what. So sorry. Here weather is changing. So yeah. In for this particular course, I will be providing a real time project. When I'm saying real time project, I will be giving you my project. Okay, so this is my project. Let's say I am working with Pacific Life Splunk. Okay, so
Okay.
in Splunk we have implemented like Salesforce Lightning. So in this particular way, I will be going to provide you. No Google project, no Google. Okay, totally genuine, 100% genuine.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, sir.
Hello, hi. Suppose
yeah, hi.
actually, I don't have the programming, it means knowledge. So is it,
Mhm.
it means it is necessary for doing Salesforce? Yeah,
Sorry. Uh, okay, so your question is like you don't have programming.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah. Mm.
you don't have knowledge with programming and you need to continue you want to learn Salesforce. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
So, and you wanted to learn programming or not? My question is like this.
No, no, I wanted, but that's why. Suppose actually, I am from, it means I have done MBA in HR. So actually, I am not, it means technical knowledge. So is it, I am also, it means doing that Salesforce. That's why I'm trying to, it means learning. No worries. But it is okay for me also.
Okay, Vinay. So what is that now? Here we have different roles. Okay, if you are if you're applying for QA, BA, admin, you know don't need to learn programming. It's completely option, and you will be getting an opportunity, and you will be getting the same salary as comparatively same salary as a developer. Okay, so we have different roles as well. If you want to learn from a programming perspective, you can go ahead and learn. If you don't want to learn from programming perspective, then you can skip the programming part as well. Not a problem, completely not a problem, because we have a whole sets and we have a whole plan for the same. Okay, we are sticking on that particular plan, and we are providing you the session. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
More questions, more clarity, anything? Oh, okay,
So
let's take,
for
yeah.
for every modules, only one trainer are there, or different trainers for the different modules?
Yeah, Tanya, I am Anand, and I will be taking care of the whole training end to end. No trainers are there, and I will be grooming you. I will be providing you each and every steps, each and every solution. I'm only the one person. Okay, for the
Okay,
training and
thank you.
learning perspective, there are documentation and everything. The team is there. The whole team will be, helping you. But from learning perspective and grooming perspective, I will be providing you.
Okay.
Okay, more questions? Ask, no problem. These are a demo session, not a problem. Okay, not a problem.
Sir, when the course is going to start?
Course is started only, right? The course started. The first two or three classes they are going to. I'm not sure of the management. Okay, they are
Okay.
going to provide a demo type of things. Okay, so yeah, these are the demo types, so that you will be able to understand, and you will be able to understand the thing, how we are going to you have open question, then you can address that particularly open question. Once you are clean with your mind, then you can go ahead with the learning thing and all. Okay, so yeah, these are the session that is more on the Q&A side. Yesterday I have took a session that 40 minutes of session, I think 45 minutes of session, that says Salesforce. Okay, but yeah, today I think it is already 42 minutes. So yeah, I am extending this particular session as a Q&A session, so that you will be getting a clarity. Anyway, the team, the whole whole class is listening to the answer. So I guess the many questions are being addressed to them.
Yeah.
So
Sir,
session or
one
English?
important thing I want to ask.
Yeah, Xavier, Xavier.
सर
Yeah.
सेशन दोनों लैंग्वेज में होगा मतलब हिंदी और इंग्लिश में?
हाँ यार, हिंदी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमारा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हिंदी में बोलोगे हिंदी में होगा, इंग्लिश में बोलोगे इंग्लिश में होगा। अंडरस्टैंडेबल इंग्लिश, कोई बड़ा इंग्लिश नहीं बोलेंगे। अगर कुछ भी बोलेंगे तो अंडरस्टैंडेबल, क्योंकि एनीवे तुमको ना क्या है ना, तुमको ना इंटरव्यू तो इंग्लिश में ही देना है, राइट? तो तुमको समझना, मतलब हम समझा देंगे सारा चीज, लेकिन हम तुमको इंग्लिश भी मिक्स करते रहेंगे ताकि तुम फैमिलियर रहो, ठीक है, लैंग्वेज से, ठीक है।
Yes, sir. One important thing I want to ask, that as I said, that I've been working as I am having 3.5 years of experience, and my last package was of 7 LPA, sir. I resigned from my previous job because I was not getting sufficient time to take the training in the Salesforce. So that's why I resigned. So the last CTC was 7 LPA. So with the 3 years of experience, how much package I should expect in the Salesforce, sir, as a Salesforce developer?
Okay, okay, got your question. You
And
can
also,
expect. Mhm.
and also, if suppose I want to like get a I want to apply as a 3 years of experience, so that kind of training we will be getting from this course. Or
Yes, Chaitanya, you are getting these types of things, because I am not going to give you the project that is a, you know, trainee project. I am giving you you will be like, I'm giving you a proper corporate project that help you to satisfy that particular experience. Okay. I am
Okay.
not sure about the exact 3+ years, but yeah, under 3, you can say 2.5 to 3 years. I will be very much sure. Okay, because the timelines, and I will be not fake promising you. If you're saying that I want a 4 years of experience, no, I will not provide 2.5 years to 3 years of experience. If you are saying someone, they can address, and they can testify that yeah, you have actually knowledge. Okay, first thing. Second thing, your question answer is like, yeah, you can upgrade your salary. You will be getting like 30% of that is a minimum hike. Okay, and according to your negotiation, you can make it 40% or 50%, but yeah, 30% should be there in.
Okay. And what are
Hello.
the chances of getting work from home?
Yeah, this is
But I'm
this is
asking
not
only
a
about the chances. I know that it is not
chance.
the right question you should answer,
uh,
but even then,
I am not, again, I cannot commit you, but yeah,
yeah.
you will be getting hybrid. So for sure, are you from, by the way?
Ujjain, sir. Ujjain.
Ujjain. Okay, hybrid you can get it.
Okay.
We have
Uh,
we have offices in Indore and all. Okay, you can get it or hybrid.
Okay.
इंदौर में भी ऑफिस है आपका?
We have, मतलब यार, corporate office Accenture है ना, तो Accenture है, बहुत सारा ऑफिस है,
एक्सेंचर है और वो है क्या कहते हैं
बहुत ऑफिस
टीसीएस
है,
और
TCS का बहुत है, ऑफिसेस हैं यार, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है।
नहीं अब तो कंपनीज भी आ गई हैं एक्चुअली में।
एक्चुअली में आगे, क्योंकि देखो मैं बिलोंग करता हूँ प्रॉपर नॉर्थ से, ठीक है, तो नॉर्थ में ऑप्शंस कम थे, नोएडा और गुड़गांव थी, अब प्रॉपर
लेकिन अभी
तुम्हारा वो
अभी इस समय है सर, अभी इस समय है टीसीएस है, इन्फोसिस है और एक्सेंचर है।
हाँ हाँ,
एक्चुअल
वो
में
आ
अभी
जाएंगे सब।
अभी इंदौर में हो चुका हूँ। सर एक्चुअल में मैं ये कह रहा था, जैसे मेरा मतलब पीएफ का है, जो अभी मैं करंट कंपनी में काम कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें मेरा पीएफ का कट रहा है, बट इससे पहले मैंने जो वर्क किया उसमें पीएफ का अकाउंट मतलब नहीं कटता था, तो वो कैसे मैनेज होएगा?
वो मैनेज हो जाएगा। एक बार वो ना, सोनाली को आप कांटेक्ट करना, वो आपको बताएंगे कि ऐसे ऐसे होगा, ऐसा ऐसा चीज है, ठीक है। क्योंकि देखो, हाँ, फिर से वो बोला, हम क्लास को यहाँ पे फिर से लाएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि वो बहुत लंबा क्लास है, ठीक है। फिर और भी ओपन क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, और भी चीजें होंगी, तो हम लोग टॉपिक से हट जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो बेटर होगा कि हम एक बार तुम सोनाली से बात कर लेना, ठीक है, तो वो हेल्प कर देगी तुमको, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अगर वहां पे सॉल्व नहीं होता है तो यार, लंबा क्लास है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लंबा ड्यूरेशन है, तुम कभी भी आप में से पूछना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हो जाएगा। वो सब सेकेंडरी
ओके।
है यार, प्राइमरी तुम्हारा देखो, वो सब हम इसीलिए सेकेंडरी बोल रहे हैं ना, क्योंकि मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस है पूरा टीम पे, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि पहली बार ये क्लास हम लोग चला रहे हैं, इससे पहले भी चलाए हैं, ठीक है। तो ऐसा कोई सामने वाला पागल नहीं होगा ना कि फालतू का कमिटमेंट दे रहा है।
Hello, hello.
Sir, you don't have any
Hello, sir.
offline
Where is
option?
your main office, sir?
पुणे में अब हमारा
पुणे
ऑफिस
में
है।
है?
हाँ,
अच्छा,
चंदन नगर।
Sir, you don't have any
अच्छा, ठीक है
offline
सर, हम
option for Pune location?
क्या भाई?
ऑफलाइन
Hello.
ऑफलाइन
पहले
Offline
एक सेकंड,
option
वन
you
वन
don't
वन
have
वन
in
बाय वन,
Pune
एक सेकंड,
location?
एक सेकंड, ऑफलाइन ऑप्शन नो, वी द होल कोर्स इज रनिंग ऑन अ वर्चुअल बेसिस राइट नाउ। अगर तुमको ओपन क्वेश्चन है, तुमको इन पर्सन कोई से मिलना है, पुणे ऑफिस में जाओ, दे विल एड्रेस यू प्रॉपरली, ठीक है। वहां पे प्रकाश सर मिलेंगे, वो तुमको एड्रेस करेंगे सारा चीज, और वहां पे तुमको बता देंगे अगर तुमको कुछ चाहिए या
Because
कुछ भी
I'm
वैसा है।
living in
लेकिन
Pune, that's why I'm asking you.
या जाओ जाओ ऑफिस जाओ ना, चंदन नगर का ऑफिस है, मैं एड्रेस पिंग यहाँ पे भेज दे रहा हूँ, वहां जाओ और आराम से मिलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। वहाँ पे हमारा पूरा सेटअप है, वहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट टीम भी बैठता है, सब कोई बैठता है, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हमारा इन हाउस सेल्स फोर्स का पूरा टीम है वहाँ पे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके
जाओ बैठो,
ओके
कोई
आपका सर, आपकी कंपनी में खुद का डेवलपमेंट का काम भी होता है सर?
हाँ हाँ, हो रहा है।
तो इज इट पॉसिबल दैट इफ यू परफॉर्म वेल दैट विल गेट एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय योर कंपनी ओनली?
हाँ, वो तो है ही, ठीक है, वो
Okay.
भी है, वो भी ऑप्शन है। लेकिन पॉइंट इज दैट ना, कि तुम ये बेंचमार्क नहीं सेट करो कि मेरे को यहाँ पे जाना है, बेंचमार्क ये सेट करो कि मेरे को एमएनसीज में, प्रॉपर एमएनसीज में जाना है, ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट कोर्स इज प्रोवाइडेड तो, ठीक है।
What I really like in your whole whatever you have described, that you will provide us the corporate level of training, like the project that we handle will be a corporate level, so our confidence level will automatically get rise if we are doing those projects. Like if we get the interview call from the Naukri.com, even then our confidence will be high, because we know that we have gone through this with the projects which are actually at the enterprise level. So definitely this is a plus point, I think.
मेरा यूएसपी भी तो वही है ना, हम भी तो हम ट्रेनिंग भी तो, मेरा यूएसपी वही है कुछ, कि मेरे को
Yes,
ना
sir.
ट्रेनिंग में कभी भी इधर उधर नहीं करना है, मेरे को फेक कमिटमेंट नहीं देना है, मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना, मेरे को पता है कैसे काम करेगा। अरे यार तुम इंडस्ट्री में रहोगे ना, तुमको ही पता है, तुम इतने साल में एक्सपीरियंस वाले बंदे हो, तुमको ही पता हो, तुम इंडस्ट्री में रहोगे ना, तुमको पता चल जाता है कि कहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हो तुम, कहाँ पे क्या नहीं कर सकते हो। तो मेरे
Exactly.
को भी काफी एक्सपीरियंस हो गया कॉर्पोरेट का, मेरे को पता है कि क्या लू फॉल है, क्या नहीं है, क्या नहीं है, क्या डिप्लोमेसी है, सारा चीज मेरे को पता है। तो मेरे को पता है ये, और मेरे को ये पसंद है, बेसिकली मेरे को ट्रेन करना पसंद है, ठीक है। इसी कारण मेरे को मतलब समझ लो कि एक किक मिलता है मेरे को ट्रेन करने में। अच्छा, जैसे अगर तुम्हारा प्लेसमेंट होगा तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे को भी बहुत खुशी होगा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल्स। ओके,
Yes, sir.
तो दैट इज अ थिंग। अरे
क्योंकि
तुम
सर,
कॉर्पोरेट में रहोगे ना तो प्रोफेशनलिज्म पता चल जाएगा, दैट्स द होल समरी ऑफ द स्टोरी।
क्योंकि एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ अ जर्नी अगर अपन प्लेसमेंट की डायरेक्टली बात कर रहे हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं इनजस्टिस होगा, क्योंकि पहला मोटिव तो ये होना चाहिए कि प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग मिल जाए। अगर प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग मिल जाती है तो Naukri.com पे अप्लाई करते हैं 3 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के साथ, तो भी इंटरव्यू कॉल तो डेफिनेटली आएंगे। तो एक बार, और अगर ट्रेनिंग उस लेवल की हुई है, कॉर्पोरेट लेवल के प्रोजेक्ट सॉल्व किए हुए हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इंटरव्यू भी क्रैक हो जाएंगे। एक मतलब जो नॉर्मल सिनारियो होता है जो 3 साल के एक्सपीरियंस वाले का, वो मीट आउट हो जाएगा। मतलब उसके लिए फिर डिपेंडेंसी खत्म हो जाएगी किसी के भी ऊपर।
हाँ, यही मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ यार, इट इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ यू आर सेलिंग योरसेल्फ। और जो तुम स्टोरी बना रहे हो ना, मेरा ये कहना है, स्टोरी बना रहे हो ना, तो स्टोरी के लिए प्रॉपर अपने आप को ट्रेन करो, और उसके लिए हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, हम तुमको ट्रेन करेंगे वो स्टोरी के लिए। वो स्टोरी ही मेरा सब कुछ है, ये चीज याद रखना, A to Z चीज, वो स्टोरी ही सब कुछ है। चलो, मोर क्वेश्चन कोई पूछ रहा था, पूछो यार।
हाँ आनंद, तो एज अ 2.5 एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन, तो मुझे क्या रोल्स असाइन होंगे, मतलब क्या रोल रहेंगे मेरे, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड रोल, वो मुझे पूछना था।
ठीक है, देखो हम तुमको समझाते हैं दो कंपनी के रेस्पेक्टिव में, ठीक है। एक होता है एसोसिएट होता है, और एक होता है एसोसिएट से ऊपर वाला लेवल, जिसमें देखो एसोसिएट एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर, ये समझना, एक होता है लेवल, सबसे लोअर लेवल होता है, और उससे भी एक लोअर लेवल होता है जूनियर एसोसिएट लेवल, जूनियर एसोसिएट डेवलपर, ठीक है। हम तुमको एक्सेंचर के पर्सपेक्टिव में समझा रहे हैं, तुम रिलेट कर लेना सारे सारे मतलब कंपनीज में सैलरी रेंजेस वही होते हैं, ठीक है। जूनियर एसोसिएट के सैलरी रेंजेस होता है 2 to 4.5 लाख, ठीक है, जूनियर एसोसिएट, जिसको हम लोग लेवल 13 बोलते हैं यहाँ पे एक्सेंचर में, ठीक है। फिर तुम्हारा आ गया उसके बाद एसोसिएट होता है, ठीक है, लेवल 12 उसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है। सॉरी, सो लेवल 12 का सैलरी रेंजेस होता है 4 to 6 लाख, ठीक है। और एक होता है एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर, अब वो एसोसिएट हट गया है उसके ये नेम से, और वो लेवल 11 होता है, ठीक है। उसका सैलरी रेंजेस 7 to 10 11 तक जाता है, ठीक है, कोई कोई चीज केस में 12 तक जाता है।
तो
तुम
इनका
लोग को
ये
लेट मी कंप्लीट।
यस,
तुम लोग जब आओगे ना, तुम लोग जब ट्रेन होगे, तो अगर एक्सेंचर में आते हो तो यू विल बी गेटिंग एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर, मतलब लेवल 12, और लेवल 12 एंड लेवल 11, ये दो लेवल का तुमको मिलेगा जॉब, ठीक है। जूनियर का नहीं मिलेगा, जूनियर का क्योंकि जूनियर में फ्रेशर्स रहते हैं, ठीक है। तुम्हारा एसोसिएट रहोगे, नहीं तो तुम एप्लीकेशन इंडिपेंडेंट एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर रहोगे, ठीक है। ये दो रेंज रहेगा, और तुम समझ लो कि सैलरी रेंजेस क्या रहेगा, बस समझ गया। अब बोलो क्या क्वेश्चन था, नेक्स्ट फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन पूछो।
हाँ उसमें ये रेंज के मतलब 3 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस या 2 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है, तो वो लेवल किस हिसाब से रहेगी, मतलब 2 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है तो कौन सी लेवल रहेगी?
2 इयर्स की एक्सपीरियंस है तो तुम्हारा वो सेकंड वाला लेवल रहेगा, एसोसिएट। ठीक है। 2.5 का है एक्सपीरियंस तो तुम्हारा एक लेवल ऊपर हो जाएगा, दैट इज एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर।
ओके, और लेवल वाइज हमारी पे स्केल रहेगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। मोर क्वेश्चंस? नो?
सर वो एक्सपीरियंस लेटर वगैरह प्रोवाइड करेंगे क्या?
हाँ
सर
यार,
जॉइनिंग हो
सारा
गया।
एवरीथिंग एवरीथिंग बोले ना, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पूरा टीम बैठा हुआ है तुम्हारे पीछे।
सब
ठीक है, वो
बैकग्राउंड
सब कुछ
वेरिफिकेशन
ए
वगैरह
टू
सब,
जेन्युइन एवरीथिंग एवरीथिंग
सैलरी
एवरीथिंग।
स्लिप हो गई, ये
हाँ
सब।
हाँ, सब कुछ प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो। एवरीथिंग मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, ये जो फॉर्मेलिटी टीम है ना, वो बहुत तगड़ी टीम है। उनके पास बहुत बहुत सारे चीज हैं जिससे वो तुमको प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा। कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा बीजीबी में, बीजीबी तुम्हारा 100% रहेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी।
हम्म।
मोर क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, 4 मिनट्स बचे हैं। कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बोलो।
सर वो एडमिन और डेवलपर का जो है फील्ड,
हम्म
जो अपने सेल्सफोर्स में है, तो मतलब
हम्म।
दोनों इसमें जा सकते हैं क्या? मतलब जिसको डेवलपर में जाना है तो डेवलपर में भी जा सकता है क्या? ऐसा डिवाइड
करेक्ट।
रहेगा क्या कुछ?
देखो, तुम्हारा तुम्हारा कोर्स ऐसे है, समझना। तुम अगर एडमिन वाला पार्ट पूरा कंप्लीट करते हो, तुम क्या क्या इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर लोगे? क्यूए क्रैक कर लोगे, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस क्रैक कर लोगे, एडमिन क्रैक कर लोगे, बिजनेस एनालिस्ट क्रैक कर लोगे। ये 3 इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर लोगे। और तुम डेवलपर में चले जाते हो, मतलब कोडिंग वोडिंग तुम कर
एपेक्स
लेते हो,
वगैरह जो।
हाँ, एपेक्स वगैरह कर लेते हो, तुम सेल्सफोर्स डेवलपर बन जाओगे। ठीक है, तो
अच्छा।
ये इस टाइप का टाइमलाइन है। अगर अगेन मैं एनालाइज करते रहूंगा, क्योंकि यार देखो, मेरा वही है ही, मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव ट्रेनिंग तो है ही, लेकिन मेरा ये भी पर्सपेक्टिव है कौन कहाँ इंटरेस्टेड है। फिर मैं
हाँ
तुमसे
वही
सेशन
वही मेन
लूंगा,
रहेगा।
1 महीने बाद मैं तुमसे सेशन लूंगा 1 on 1, कि यार तुमको क्या समझ में आया क्या नहीं आया। तुम बताओगे कि सर मेरे को यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, वो कोडिंग नहीं करना है यार, आप मेरे को कोडिंग से हटाओ, मेरे को कोड करना ही नहीं है। तो आई
हम्म।
विल मेक श्योर कि तुमको तुम्हारा स्विच करा दे, कि नो कोडिंग लो यार, तुम एडमिन का नॉलेज लो, एडमिन पे और डीप अंडरस्टैंड करो, और फिर तुम एडमिन का रोल के ले जाओ। द पॉइंट इज हियर ना, कि तुम्हारा नौकरी लगाना, समझा?
हाँ हाँ,
यही
मेन वही।
यही पूरा पॉइंट है। ठीक है, और तुम्हारी नौकरी कब लगेगा, तुम्हारी लगा करके तुम एग्जिस्ट करोगे ना वहाँ। ऐसा नहीं कि तुमको कोडिंग आता नहीं है, तुम्हारी जबरदस्ती नौकरी लग गया है, अब तुम वहां पे जाके रो रहे हो, वो नहीं करना है ना ब्रो। तुमको
हाँ वही वही।
मतलब प्रॉपरली करना है, और बहुत अच्छे से करना है, दैट्स ऑल। हाँ, कोई? हाँ, गुप्ता बोलो, आंसर क्वेश्चन पूछो, सॉरी। कोई और क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था अभी?
सर सेशन कल से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा सब?
क्या क्या क्या?
कल से सर सेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगी कि फिर मतलब बीच में और इंटरप्ट हो जाएगा जैसे आज हुआ?
आज इंटरप्ट नहीं, ये देखो, ये क्या है ना, डेमो सेशन चल रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो क्यूएनए होंगे ही। ठीक है, क्यूएनए होंगे, अभी डेमो सेशन है। एक बार क्वेश्चंस का सबको आंसर मिल जाएगा ना, तो हम लोग ट्रेनिंग के बीच में ये सब क्वेश्चन को एंटरटेन नहीं करेंगे, राइट?
सर डेमो के बाद
कब से
डायरेक्ट
स्टार्ट
कंटिन्यू
होगा सर?
होगा?
हाँ हाँ, ट्रेनिंग ट्रेनिंग के बीच में हम इंटरप्ट नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि देखो, सी व्हाट इज दैट ना, ओपन क्वेश्चंस को एड्रेस करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? कंफ्यूजन के साथ ट्रेनिंग नहीं करना है ना कोई को। यू विल बी पेइंग सम ऑफ द अमाउंट, राइट? अब वो अमाउंट इज ऑल्सो वैलिड, राइट? तो वो तो अमाउंट को तुमको तुम सेटिस्फाई होगे तभी ना तुम पे करोगे, क्या क्या तुम ले रहे हो तो।
ये बस
सर
अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए होगा।
क्या क्या? यार 2-3 जन बोलोगे नहीं समझ में आएगा, बोलो क्या, गुप्ता क्या बोल रहे हो, बता दो यार।
नहीं सर, हो गया, क्लियर हो गया मेरा।
ओके, और कोई क्वेश्चन? 59, वी आर आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट डन विद द टाइमिंग। एनी क्वेश्चन, मोर क्वेश्चंस?
सर एचआर से बात करनी हो तो कैसे, कब कर सकते हैं सर? मतलब डिटेल्स लेनी हो,
कर
क्योंकि
लेंगे
मैंने
यार, कर लेंगे हम लोग, कर लेंगे सारा चीज आपको प्रोवाइड। ग्रूमिंग बोल रहे हैं ना, ग्रूमिंग में तुमको यही सब चीज प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा।
नहीं सर, मतलब कि जो आईएसए है, मैं उसके बारे में जानना चाह रहा था, तो वो एचआर से बात करनी, मतलब उनके उसके बारे में डिटेल।
आईएसए एज इन क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो? आईएसए नहीं समझ में आया।
मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ सर, आईएसए होगा ना, इनकम शेयरिंग एग्रीमेंट सर, क्योंकि हमें
हाँ वो
जॉब।
बात कर लो ना उनसे, सोनाली से बात कर लो।
हाँ वो बात अच्छा उनका ही कॉल आएगा या मुझे आप उनका नंबर प्रोवाइड कर दें सर?
तुम्हारे पास जो पर्सन ऑफ कांटेक्ट है ना,
ओके
डायरेक्टली उनसे बात कर लो। नंबर प्रोवाइड तुमको हो जाएगा, वो सुन रही होगी, मीटिंग में होगी जरूर वो, ठीक है, वो
ओके
तुमको एड्रेस कर लेगी, ठीक है।
हाँ, क्योंकि सर मेरे को दो इशू आ रहे हैं, एक तो क्लास टाइमिंग का इशू आ रहा है, एक आईएसए का मुझे पूछना है कि वो क्या है।
ठीक है ठीक है, आप बात कर लो।
ठीक है सर, ठीक।
सर पुणे ऑफिस में कौन कौन है, मैं विजिट कर सकता हूँ वहाँ पे?
हाँ हाँ जाओ ना, विजिट करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वहाँ पे पूरा टीम ही है। डॉक्यूमेंट का टीम बैठता है, डेवलपर्स भी बैठते हैं, बहुत कोई बैठते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। So are we good, right? तो थैंक यू एवरीवन, हम लोग रैप करते हैं ये सेशन को, कल से सेशन शुरू करते हैं फिर, एंड देन वी विल बी हैविंग अ फाइनल सेशन कल, फिर परसों से वी विल बी हैविंग अ प्रॉपर end to end real time scenarios and everything, projects and all. ओके कैसे डेवलप करना, बिल्ड करना, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। ओके
थैंक यू
रैप
सर।
करते हैं सेशन को, थैंक यू।
ओके ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
साड़ी के फॉल सा
के बाद उनका एक्स पर पोस्ट क्या मायने रखता है, आप देख सकते हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने साफ साफ लिखा इस पोस्ट में